Hey everyone! If you love shopping online and saving big, you're going to love this. Today, I'm going to show you how to get up to $100 off on Temu using their secret discount code bundle. Yes, completely free. This works in 2025, and it's easier than you think. If you've been browsing Temu, you know how tempting their deals are. But did you know there's a way to stack discounts and get up to $100 off your order instantly? Whether you're a first time shopper or a returning customer, there's a code that could save you a huge chunk of money. Here's how it works. When you're ready to check out on the Temu app, there's a promo code box. This is where the magic happens. Simply enter a valid code, hit apply, and if it works, you'll instantly unlock your discount. Sometimes these codes even stack with other promotions or free shipping, making your savings even bigger. And the best part, even if you've shopped on Temu before, some of these codes still work, so you're not left out. If you're new, you might even score some extra bonuses on top of your $100 coupon bundle. A quick tip, if a code doesn't work for you, don't worry. Temu sometimes rotates which codes are active depending on your account, location, or shopping history. Just try a different one and you're good to go. So the process is simple. Open the Temu app, add your favorite items to the cart, enter a promo code at checkout, and watch the discount appear instantly. That's it. With this method, you can save big on everything you love from Temu. Don't miss out on this. A $100 discount is nothing to sneeze at, and these codes won't last forever. Make sure you try them today and grab your favorite items for less. If this helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss another money-saving tip. Happy shopping and enjoy your Temu discounts.